Hey Randy, there is a customer asking how often we should get our spark plugs replaced.
Hey Jazz, perfect timing. I actually just finished replacing plugs on this charger. The interval varies manufacturer to manufacturer. I personally wouldn't push it much more than 100,000 kilometers. The reason these ones got done is he came in with a misfire, and you can see, it might be hard, but he's got a crack on his porcelain all the way down, which was causing it to arc out to the spark plug sleeve.
How much does it cost to get a spark plugs replaced?
Spark plugs, they start as low as about $130, but it varies car to car. So if you need your spark plugs replaced or any preventative maintenance, visit us at 700 York Road at Auto Market or call this number.